Welcome back everybody to a volcano image. How close did I get to the lava lake? Actually, I filmed the lava lake and eruptive activity legally from over a mile away at the designated viewing area of the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. No need to go near the lava lake. I used this awesome camera called the Nikon P1000, which can zoom in up to 3,000 millimeters. I shot this video from the northwest side of the Kilauea caldera near the Jagger Museum. The other side is about 2 miles away. As I zoom in, you can be able to see some people walking down to an area to view the eruptive activity. Now, this is the area where you view the eruptive activity, and you're looking towards the northwest of the crater. This is about 2 miles away. This is the power of the Nikon P1000 at 3,000 millimeters. That is the area where I shot all of my eruptive activity videos. Here is a map of the Kilauea caldera. The area circled on the left right there is an area next to the Jagger Museum where I shot the video that you saw zooming into the other side. The area on the right that is circled is the eruption viewing area. That is the area where you have a clear view of the eruptive activity. To show you the power of the Nikon P1000, these clips of the eruption were shot at 2,000 millimeters and 3,000 millimeters respectively. First, I'm going to show you the clips that were shot in 2,000 millimeters, just like you see right here.